Today I'm going to show you how to build a tiny greenhouse at home without spending too much money. This is the setup I use in every spring when the weather is still too cold to start seeds outside. It is simple, small and affordable. By starting your seeds early, you can start harvesting your vegetables much earlier. In this video, I'll show you what you need and how to put it all together. You can prepare your tray using seed starting soil and plant your seeds. First, you need heating mats. I use two heating mats next to each other because of the size of my tray. These heating mats come with a plug. You also need a thermostat. Again, in my case, I used one for each mat, so the heating mats don't overheat. Don't be discouraged by the complicated look of the thermostat. It's quite simple. It comes with a female plug, a male plug, and a temperature probe. The plug from the heating mat goes into the female plug of the thermostat. Other plug of the thermostat goes into the wall socket. The probe goes into one of the tray pockets into the soil. I'll show you in a minute how to set the thermostat. You'll also need a clear storage box. When buying it, make sure it is big enough to cover your tray. You will use this box upside down, so first drill a few small holes for air ventilation. The box has two jobs. First, it keeps the warm air around the seedlings. Secondly, if you have cats like me, it also becomes a very comfortable warm bed for them, whether you like it or not. You also need plant growing lights inside the box. These lights are made for plant growth, and you can buy them online quite cheaply. I attached mine inside the box. Now place the tray on the heating mats and cover it with the plastic box. Set the thermostat to 25 degrees Celsius, which is 77 degrees Fahrenheit, and your tiny greenhouse is ready. There are three important things to remember. First, use insulation underneath the heating mats. This helps the heat to go up into the tray and the box instead of escaping downwards. If you don't do this, your seedlings may not come up as well. Secondly, wipe off the excess condensation inside the box from time to time to prevent mold. Third, water your tray with lukewarm water. Cold tap water can shock the young roots. Finally, when to start your seeds depends on the climate and your location. From seed to first harvest, it can take around 3 months, so you can adjust your timing accordingly. I live in the Mediterranean region, and this year I started at the beginning of April. I'm planning to harvest my first tomatoes in June at the beginning of summer. In my next video, I'll show you how to plant them outside and the important things to consider when growing vegetables in your garden. Till then, enjoy your gardening.